This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Margaret Schinabarger. Live in the heart of Jupiter. Highly sought after Jupiter Village, AC installed separate. 2022, newer inline water heating system, always on hot water, new metal roof being installed in October, nicely updated 2-bedroom 2-bath private home, granite countertops, soft close cabinetry, off-street parking for 3 cars. Community park and pool. Beautifully landscaped with wooden fenced backyard for complete privacy. Close to Golf Club of Jupiter, Jupiter and Maple Village Parks, 3 minutes I-95 and the Florida Turnpike, 3 minutes to Home Depot, 5 minutes to Publix Supermarket, 10 minutes to the ocean. For more information, review the details below or contact Margaret Schinabarger at 954-693-0100.